Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to this week's try-on haul, and today we are featuring Cupshe. Alright, y'all know I love Cupshe, so thank you to Cupshe for sponsoring this video. And this video is going to be a bit different than my previous ones. If you've watched any of my other ones, then you know I typically pick out my own bathing suits and try them on for you and give you my honest reviews and thoughts. But this time, I had my fiance, Scott, pick out my swimsuits, and I didn't know which ones they were. He placed the order and I got it, and I was quite shocked to see which ones he picked out. And some I was like, wow, okay, I would have never picked that out for myself. I'm very modest when it comes to my clothing, my swimsuits, things like that in general. I just am very on the scale of modesty, especially since having a baby. High-waisted, one pieces, that's my kind of jam, but Scott pushed me out of my comfort zone with this, and he said he was super excited. Now, I want to preface this by saying you don't need a man to tell you which bathing suit you should or should not wear. This was just a fun experiment to see what Scott thinks I would look good in or wants to see me in, and I'm excited to share them with you.
What you doing?
Picking bathing suits.
Why won't you let me look?
Because you're gonna be like wondering why I'm adding all the skimpy ones.
Don't get too crazy.
I mean, the style is apparently like it covers up your entire
That is the
body.
trends. Why you want me looking like a hoochie mama?
So before we jump into the try-on haul, if you guys have not downloaded the Cupshe app, highly recommend it. It's just the best way to shop. I feel like I love apps for all of my favorite stores. And like always, I feel like Cupshe kills it on so many different levels. The first being the price. Everything on average is under $25. You can get different sizes for tops and bottoms in some of their suits. They have a huge inclusive size range from extra small all the way to 4XL. They also have, like I said, a fit for everyone. I feel like they have more conservative cuts, and then they've got your, you know, risque sort of fits as well. All of their cup pads are removable within their swimsuits, but not just that, they actually belong in the swimsuit, so they're not just like thrown in there and you can see the ugly outline and it's terrible. You can remove them if you're interested, and then most of theirs have a little adjustable strap, so it's easy for you to customize the fit perfect to you. And as always, the quality of their swimsuits is top notch. It shows you that you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for a good quality swimsuit that's gonna last you a while, which is why I love partnering with Cupshe to spread the news of the fact that they have every size that you can imagine, plus the quality is there at a super amazing price point. And Cupshe has hooked you guys up with 15% off your order of $65 or more, so that will be right here as well as in the description box down below. I will also be linking all of the swimsuits that Scott personally picked out, and then we ordered a medium in everything. So let's jump into the try on. All right, so this first one, I'm just gonna say, I was shocked at everything that he picked out and what he thought would look good on me. But this first one, I'm obsessed with the color of this. And the top, I feel like, is such a good fit. It's a halter style top, which I never really gravitate towards. I like the coverage on this. I feel like it has pretty good coverage. The stitching is obviously quality. There are removable cup pads. I kept them in. I feel like this color really, it worked for me, you guys. And then the bottoms are adorable. So they are high rise, which he was like, why is everything high rise? And I'm like, that's the trends. He doesn't know because he literally doesn't even like, he wears like athletic shorts to go to the pool. So I was shocked that he picked these out. But how cute is this little bottom? I love the different stitch line, the crossed, or like the tapered waist gives you an illusion of a tighter waist, you know, more snatched. But I love this color, and the fit on this was really freaking nice. So way to go, Scott. One for Scott. Also, if you like this, the fact that Scott picked out these, let me know in my next one, do you want to see Scott rate my order, like on a 1 to 10 scale, and see what his reaction is? Because if you do, thumbs up this video, and that will be a possibility if I can convince him for next month. Okay, this next suit is such a bright, colorful, fun one. I feel like I typically go with very neutrals and high rise, full coverage. And these are cheekier, not super cheeky, but they're cheekier, and this beautiful like Hawaiian print. I do really like the colors on this. Really pretty. You can hike this up a little bit more, or you can wear it low rise. I typically hike mine up. And the top on this is really beautiful. And I never thought I could wear red, but this red I feel like really works for me. It does. This top is nice. The top itself is one solid piece. I love that they have this boning on the sides. You know what I'm talking about? Like from the breast cup to the back. I feel like that just helps keep things in and support things and just makes it look nice and not roll over. This does have those sliders on the back so you can adjust the strap length. It's crisscrossed in the back, which is so beautiful. And this works. I love the little bow in the front. I love the coverage of the cups, but it's still a little bit more like booby, which is why I think he picked it. But overall, such a cute top or cute set. And I would have never in a million years picked this, but I really do feel like this would be fun for like a beach vacay. I like it. I like it. Okay, this next piece, this top is like my all-time favorite. This gives you like that lift push-up thing. So this actually doesn't have removable cups, but they are like sewn in, so they're not going anywhere, and it gives you some structure and some oomph. This is amazing. I love the crisscross front in the front, obviously. These straps are nice. They just fit over the shoulders, and then the back is adjustable with a string, which is really nice. You can get that custom fit. I love this top. I fell in love with the color. I'm a green girl through and through. And I love the structure and the support that that gives me. And these bottoms are really fun. I've always actually wanted a like tribal-y sort of print bathing suit, but I've never pulled the trigger on it. And this is really cute. It's a more full coverage sort of bottom, but you can hike it up a little bit, which I did, and it's super cute. And the green, I like it. It's subtle, it's pretty, and that was a win as well. All right, this next suit I absolutely fell in love with, honestly, when I first saw it. It's a bit too tight. You need to size up. Like, I would have needed at least a large in this, but this is cute and this is sexy. So this has this like really super pretty rose gold hook in the front. It's fully strappy in the back, which is beautiful, like that cage detailing. Oh my goodness. And the bottoms are ultra cheeky, but they're super cute, and I feel like you could pair these bottoms with so many different tops, which is really cool. I never show mix and match, but I probably should, because that would be a fun like a fun concept to like show how many ways you can mix and match from suits. But this is super high rise, super cheeky, like borderline thong, but it's so cute. I just need to get a bigger size in the top without a doubt. So if you are large chested, size up. If you are average or, I don't know, small chested, this is such a beautiful bathing suit. I love it. It's so sexy, and I can understand why Scott picked it out. I wouldn't say it's family friendly, but it's super cute. All right, this next one, I was so surprised when he picked this out. I thought it was so cute. And again, I would never pick out something like this. I love the red and white striped bottoms. It's very 4th of July situation. The cut on this is really nice because the seams are like not on the outside. It doesn't roll down, which I love, but I feel like it doesn't dig in, which I mean, I can appreciate. I love that the sides are cut high. It's a little cheeky in the back, but not super cheeky. And this is so cute with this little top. Oh my God. Okay, this did come with removable cup pads. I did remove them just for a more seamless look, but it was not see-through at all, which I was surprised because it's white. It is double lined. It is so cute. This little tie knot front in the front. This little knot in the front is so sweet, and it has a low scooping back. This is like a full like sports bra sort of type, so I feel really comfortable in this. It's like really cute and fun, but also like more coverage than I would have pegged Scott to pick for me. So overall, this bathing suit is so fun and perfect for like, you know, the summer and the red, white, and blue theme, you know, 4th of July. If you haven't picked up a bathing suit, that would be a good one. This is also very 4th of July. He picked a lot of stripes, which I am a stripe girl. These are more of a full coverage bottom, just basic. You can hike them up, which I did. They are a navy and white stripes. so cute. Like that this is full coverage, and I actually love this top. It is not adjustable, but I don't find that to be an issue at all. It's got a nice band at the bottom, so I feel like nothing's falling out the bottom, you know? And the back detail is so beautiful. This is such a cute suit, and I feel like it pushes everything in the right place and holds it all in without feeling like I'm spilling out or hanging out. So a big fan of this. And again, I love the details, like the details of the crisscross back and the details of that thick band at the bottom. Like you can tell they went through some thought when they like designed these swimsuits, and it speaks. Their quality it's there. Okay, I am never a bandeau girl. Just not a bandeau girl, or like a bright, colorful sort of girl like this. But this swimsuit was kind of cute. Okay, so this is just a very basic. When I saw this, I was like, that's an interesting, weird pick, but I'll go for it. I'll entertain it. So it's got the thick, like striped different colors of the blue, and then the corally sort of salmon color. It's got the adjustable back, which is so important with bandeaus. I hate when they just do the clip, because then I can't suck it all in, you know? This is really fun, and I felt comfortable and secure. Again, it has that boning detail on the side, which I feel like helps it stay there and not roll down, which is awesome. These are super cheeky, super high cut, super high rise. These are like, this reminds me of like Vegas day party sort of vibes. It's cute. Honestly, liked it a lot more than I thought I would when I first took it out. Okay, this next one, again, really different than what I thought Scott would pick out, but I love this scalloped detailing. Again, very like Hawaii. Is he trying to tell me he's taking me to Hawaii? Please. I love the scalloped detailing. I feel like it's just such a fun girly touch. This is more of like medium cheeky. It has the ability to go low rise, or you can hike it up a little bit to make it high rise. This top is so nice. I love the cut on this top. So a couple different things. It also has the matching scallop detailing on the top, which is super pretty. This has more of like a waffly sort of texture, which is nice. I love the green. This green is so perfect. If you struggle with your boobs going like out, just like they're not like pointing forward, you know what I mean. If you know, you know. This has such good like side boob coverage. It's awesome. And these straps are completely adjustable with this tie in the back. You can just pull it tighter to make them shorter and like cinch you in a little bit more. But I felt like this gave me the coverage and the lift and the support, everything I needed. This did that. So I really love the scallop detailing, and I feel like he did a good job of picking a variety of different suits and whatnot. Okay, so I may have added one extra item to the cart, because I saw this when I was about to place my order, and then I was like, wait, I'm gonna have him do it. But I saw this and I told him, I was like, isn't that so cute? Don't you think I would look so good in that? And he was like, why is it high rise? And I'm like, cause it is, and I like those. And then when I like went to submit my order, I was like, oh, we're gonna throw this one in. So it's high rise. It's this beautiful peachy pink, which I would never like select this color, but it was so cute, the fit. So high rise, cheeky bottoms, high cut, all that good stuff. This top is where it's at. I love this bra style top. I just feel like the balconette, I think that's how you call it, is so flattering, so pretty, and it has removable cup pads. It has these cute ties, which means you can adjust it perfectly. The back has 3 different notches, so you can make it tighter and tighter, but this is so cute. There are like wires in it, so I feel very like, you know, secure. Oh, I love this print. I love everything about it. The ruching, the gathering on the top is so cute and so perfect for the summertime. So that, I vetoed one of Scott's decisions and picked my own, and I am not upset about that, because that one is my favorite. So like I said, I did get a medium in all of these suits, and I had so much fun trying on suits that I wouldn't necessarily pick for myself. So it was kind of like a surprise when I opened the package, and I was like, all right, this is what Scott deems as a cute bathing suit. So we'll try them on, we'll see. And I think he did all right. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think he did all right? Do you think he picked from his own taste, or thought of what I would like? I don't think he thought of what I would like. I think he thought from his own taste, but you know what? He he did all right in my eyes. So if you like this video, this style where my fiance is involved, let me know. I would love to get him to sit down and actually rate my next order from pieces that I personally like picked. So as always, don't forget, there is a 15% off code KF for 15% off your purchase of $65 or more. You guys, if you have not checked out Cupshe, now is the perfect time to do so, right before the summer. Super excited for warm weather, for pool parties, for the beach and whatnot. So all the details will be linked down below, and all the suits that Scott personally picked out are linked down below, and all the details so that you can save. And again, thank you to Cupshe for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!